What is Google Analytics? Google Analytics is a powerful and flexible website. This page will briefly explain to you how Google Analytics works and how you can incorporate this amazing tool into your website. Google Analytics uses a first-party cookie and a JavaScript code to collect information about visitors and to track your advertisement campaign data. Google Analytics tracks how visitors interact with the website, including where they came from, what they did on a site, and whether they completed any of the site conversion goals, and what was the referral site or source the visitor came from. Example, search engine, keywords, banners, email links, etc. Analytics also keep track of your e-commerce data and combine this with campaign and conversion information to provide insight into the performance of your advertising campaigns. You will be able to drive traffic more efficiently to your site and convert traffic more effectively. Google Analytics, you can see how visitors reach your site, how many go back, how many convert into sales, and get much more detailed reports. In this article, we will be able to brief overview of what you can do in Google Analytics. All of this information is presented in an easy to read yet true manner through intuitive visual reports. It won't affect the performance of the appearance of your website, and there won't be any extra files.
Now we'll see how database and server works.
It is important to talk about the basic of how Google Analytics works. Let's see, if a person is a laptop, they want to visit a site, that they will open your web browser, and the web browser get request, and they go to the server log. When Google Analytics was born, it is a software that works in a server as a database process that requests log from a server, and the web server return the page back to your browser and collects the Google from your browser, information from the browser.
Now we'll analyze how Google Analytics dashboard works.
The very first step you will take is to log into your Google Analytics account. There is a link named View Report. When you click on that link, it will bring you to the dashboard. On the dashboard page, there is a chart which shows a visual representation of the site traffic for the past months. This chart starts showing data when you insert the code into your site. There is a facility to see the chart with the span of the time, and you can do it by clicking on the date button at the upper right hand corner. A calendar will pop up, select the data or manually type it. Analyze visit. Visit menu is just below the date menu. If you want to change the graph into page view, then just click on it. By clicking on it, you will be able to know how many times your site page have been viewed. On the average, how many pages of your site does the user visit, how much time is spent on your site by the users, what is the bounce rate percentage, important entries and exit page, and also what is the percentage of the new visit. Page view. Page view shows just what it says, how many times your page have been viewed. Bounce rate. Bounce rate tells us how many times a user just leaves this site after only viewing one page. This is a good indicator to know if visitor find what they are looking for. If not, they will leave instantly. Average time on site. Average time on site shows that how much time a user spends on your site, and is a good indicator if they like your content and actually read it. New visit. New visit shows what percentage of the users have never visited at the site before. If you have a lot of visitors coming from the search engines and from external links, then you most probably have a lot of new visitors on your site. Visitors overview. Visitors overview is a chart that shows how many times the user visit your site. Map overlay. Map overlay shows from which country the visitor came from. Traffic source overview. Traffic sources overview display what percentage of the users come to your site by typing in the exact URL directly in the browser or come to your site via search engines. Content overview. Content overview shows the 5 topmost pages viewed by users during a particular time span.